Hello guys, so I'm back with another blind bag. Let me just... Okay, I know it's like backwards, but we say common, rare, epic, and legendary. I really want the legendary, but it's 0.1%, and the small is 100%, and big is 1%. So let's open it. So I'm gonna close my eyes and you're gonna like see it. Okay guys, maybe I'm scared. Okay. Got this one. Wait. This one. Okay. What does it say? Oh, what is it? Oh, it's epic. And it's small. It's small. Over there. At least it's not common. But we have a big one, a pretty big one, kind of big one, and a small one, a kind of small one, and it's like a small one. This one's cute. I like it. Pretty cute. I'm gonna rate. Oh, it's literally a phone. Guys, this is so cute. Guys, wait, okay? Guys, look, I have a bracelet. Just 6 all the way here. Just wait, I'm gonna make something. I have this huge paper. Just wait, I'm gonna turn it into something, okay? Just wait, bye. This one completed. It's bed. I just can't say it. What the heck is that? Why is my filter there? But anyways, bye. Other one has been made. This one's super high. There we go. Right. And this is the third one. Just wait guys, I'm gonna show you something. Look, they are stacked to the wall.